client recently asked, "What happens to my IRA money after I die?" Well, a recent development has made the answer to that question a little more complicated. What happens to your IRA at your death depends on a few factors. The first is your beneficiary designation. Who you designate dictates who makes the decisions about the funds. The second is the tax code. The tax code allows a beneficiary to take all the money at once and pay the large tax bill that will result. The code also allows beneficiaries to leave the money in the IRA so that it can continue to grow without current taxation. The beneficiaries would only need to take out a minimum amount each year and pay taxes on that smaller amount. This arrangement is often called a stretch IRA, and it can result in a lot more money to the beneficiary over time. There are also some special tax rules for spouses that can be quite handy. The third factor is beneficiary creditors. Now, a June Supreme Court ruling said that an inherited IRA is not a retirement account of the beneficiary. This can make inherited IRA money vulnerable to a beneficiary's creditors in a bankruptcy proceeding. Now, Florida has special bankruptcy protection rules that make this not as scary as it can sound, but the case does bring up the issue of whether or not a beneficiary should have free rein over an IRA. Not all beneficiaries make good decisions. Some have drug or alcohol issues, others marry poorly, and some just don't handle money well. If there's a concern about how a beneficiary would handle an inheritance, a trust may be a better choice of beneficiary. Now, to learn more, give us a call. See our website for the contact information, and while you're there, visit the post on the blog page titled, "What Happens to My IRA Money After I Die?" There, you can read more Q&As that we produced in the last quarter that cover a variety of topics, including how to avoid tax penalties on early withdrawals from retirement accounts, and what not to put in your Roth IRA. Now, if you have any questions, please contact us. We would love to hear from you.